Come on, it's nice.
And he gone further down, you know. People live further down there, so to Red Hills Road, look there.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's, I try to do uploads every now and then. I did a video the other day talking about what I'll be doing as it relates to servicing my vehicle. And today, I'll be servicing my vehicle. I'll be changing my engine oil. So, yeah guys, I'll be changing my engine oil. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, you can go ahead and click on that subscribe button. As I said earlier, I'll be changing my oil today. So, what you'll need to change an engine oil, a lot of vehicles are different. I know my vehicle. You should know yours. You should know what your vehicle needs. The type of oil that you use, the type of filter, etc., etc. So today, and also the type of tools that you use to pull the bung and the filter. Some filters, they are hand tightened, but some you definitely have to use a tool. Changing the oil is easier than doing this video. Because, I have to edit and the whole works. So, the tool that you will need, for me personally, I wanted to order a tool online to pull on my filter. I'll show you in a bit how the filter looks. It's actually inside of a hose. So this is the filter, or the filter, filter. So it fits inside of a hose, and the holding now is tied and screwed up on the car. So I have to use a pipe which pull that hose. It's pretty tight, So there's a tool to do it, but I'm yet to buy it. So for now, this is what I use. Alright? You need a breaker bar to pull the bung and a 14 socket. Bungs come in various sizes, so you must know what your bung size is. If you don't have a breaker bar, then it's a ratchet handle with it's going to take some force. So it's better to use a breaker bar. And yeah guys, so that's basically it. I'll also be changing my springs, my back suspension springs. I bought some Honda springs as I mentioned in the previous video. So I'll be changing those today as well. I've already changed the cabin filter and the air filter. I didn't make a video for that, but maybe another time. So yeah guys. Alright guys, so I've already loosened the filter and I've already loosened the bung. So I've jacked up the car on one side as well. So the only thing left for me to do now is to drain the oil, and I will have to drain.
So again, as I was saying, this is what the filter housing looks like. So you just drop the filter inside of this, and this is the hard part of it that has to pull. It has a hole at the bottom for 3/8 drive, but this thing is just complicated because when I pull this piece here come out by itself. It doesn't pull the filter. So I don't know what that do, but I'll figure it out one day. So yeah, that's that. I'll just allow it to drain, and then I'll